Hi guys, welcome to our channel Winnie Creations. So today we learn about NTSC SAT and the subject is social and the topic is manufacturing industries. Here are 10 questions, so let's answer them. First question is, which sector is not the sector of economy? There are four sectors. They are primary, secondary, tertiary and fourth. So in these four options, which sector is not the sector of economy? So the answer is fourth sector. This is not the sector of economy. And the second question is, joint sector industry is a type of industry based on. Here are three options and they are capital, ownership, the bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods, and the last option is their main role. So the answer is ownership. And the third question is, name the industry in which India is self-reliant. And the options are, they are textile, sugar, iron and steel, chemical. So the answer is textile. Let's go to the fourth question. Which is not the country importing Indian jute products? And the options are USA, Canada, UK, Iran. So the answer is Iran. Let's go to the fifth question. Which is not sugar producing state in India? So the options are Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Assam. So the answer is Assam. And Assam will produce tea. And the sixth question is, give an example of the consumer industry. The options are, first one is textile industry, butter industry, juice industry and wood industry. So the answer is, as we know, that is textile industry. Let's go to the seventh question. Most of the sugar industries are ideally suited for. The options are private sector, joint sector, cooperative sector and public sector. So the answer is cooperative sector. Let's go to the eighth question. Small scale and large scale industries are classified on the basis of. The options are like this: capital investment, ownership, main role, source of raw materials. So, and the answer is capital investment. Ninth question. Which one of the following cities is known as the electronic capital of India? And the options are like this: Srinagar, Noida, Pune, Bangalore. So the answer is Bangalore. 10th question. Which one of the following industries manufactures mobiles and computer laptops? Options are like this. And the options are like this. They are steel, aluminium, electronic, information technology. So the answer is information technology. So thank you for watching the video, and if you're seeing my channel first time, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any doubts, please ask me and I'll just give you the reply. Thank you.